An overview of feature release 6.8.0, and let me start with some of the bug fixes that we have in this release. One thing that our users pointed out is when I'm inside a test, it's very important to quickly be able to navigate to set conditions and timer, and this is something that was working before but broke. Now it's working again. So if I click on this icon, set condition, it will automatically take me to the conditions tab. And if I click the timer, it would automatically take me to the delay time timeout tab. And the same thing for the flag. It will take me to the switch flag for me to set a flag and to jump to that part in code. So that's similar to the JavaScript switch statement. But right now, small usability issue. The other issue that was highlighted is the fact that if I add a new group, it was inconsistent if I go in here and I add a group from here and I do it from the menu here. So right now, we always show this group action where you can set if it's a general group, it's an if-else switch condition, or if you need to have a loop group here. So now that behavior is consistent. Another small issue is now you can also, if you have a bunch of actions inside the group, you can ungroup them as well. So that's also one thing that is pretty convenient to be able to do. For the new features, the things that we have is one thing that we think is a huge improvement for people working with big sets of scenarios using Cucumber is, of course, when you have a lot of feature files like this, it gets a little bit messy. What did I map to what, right? What phrases map to what? Now you go to the root of the project, you click here, the advanced operations, and now you can review the test mappings here. Here you get a window with all the phrases and what it's mapped to, and you can actually update what it's mapped to, and you can also update the actual phrase. Another thing we launched is when you have a loading thing here, right? Sometimes you have, maybe I can emulate it. If you reload the application window, sometimes you have like a spinner or something. We also added a way here into the content policy to set that element. So there'll be a separate video on that, how to set that loading element. That will allow the IDE, the test, to automatically wait for that spinner to be gone. So that's it for this feature release. Let us know if you have any comments, and there'll be a few more screen captures explaining these features after this one.